Health officials have resumed testing of those persons in vulnerable sectors of society. One of the areas testing is taking place is at the Bahamas Department of Corrections. Dr. Del Regis provided this update on the protocols that have been implemented at the facility to keep inmates and employees safe.
At the prison, inmate population of 2,000 with 800 prison officers, this is strict preventative measures are in place. I'm happy to report that on each shift, officers are masked and their temperatures are taken. Visitors are limited. Officers and inmates practice good physical distancing and hand hygiene. New inmates entering for the first time come in through one entrance, and after receiving a physical, they are quarantined for 2 weeks. And isolation rooms available should a prisoner fall ill with Covid-19. Officers who interact with prisoners are required to wear masks. In fact, the sewing rooms of the prison are making masks for officers and inmates.
Well, Dr. Del Regis also provided details on the measures in place for persons set to be released.
There were a number of inmates who completed their sentences and were ready to be discharged and travel home to their residences in the Family Islands. To ensure that they do not pose a risk to non-COVID communities in the islands, a health team is conducting testing at the prison. Yesterday, 15 inmates were swabbed. Among those tested were inmates earmarked to be transferred to the detention center.